Okay, so first you have to know dulu each of this line di mana line itu on the diagram. Okay, so definitely we have 3 lines here. So y equal to 2x, that's the first one. Second one is x plus y equal to 4. And then the third one is x equals to 0. Let's go for the easiest one dulu, x equals to 0. Kalau x equals to 0 ataupun y equals to 0, these two will be x's, okay? So, x equals to 0 means nombor x tu dah ada, yang ada y saja. So, that means ini adalah y-axis. So, this one will get involved, definitely. So, this is our x equals to 0. And the next one is x plus y equals to 4. Now, I see that you kind of got it already there. Okay, so let's double check saja macam mana kan cari ni. I'm going to rearrange ia jadi y equal to mx plus c. So that means I'm going to move it to the other side. I see that there's a gradient there, negative. Artinya turun ke bawah, same as what you're doing here. Now keep in mind, ia punya y-intercept di mana ia cross y-axis is arah 4. So we already have one coordinate. That means the coordinate is 0, 4. So we're going to label that here. Okay. I'm going to change the color jadi warna kuning lah ha. So this is the yellow one. Okay, now. And then after we get that, we're going to have to find another one saja lagi. Another coordinate to make it a straight line. Just a random number, probably is a pilih x equals to 1. So if I choose x equals to 1, I put it okay, sambung sini ya. So I have x plus y equal to 4. And then if I choose x equals to 1, that means it should give me 1 plus y equal to 4. So y equal to 3. Okay, so that means now I have another coordinate 1, 3. So I'm going to label that on the diagram. 1, 3 will be somewhere here. And then I'm going to draw the straight line to connect those two coordinate. Okay, so I will have that. Okay, now good. So that's the second one. Now we have another one, which is the last one. I'm going to leave it as red up. Y equal to 2x. So Suza pilih saja just a random one because I need to know the coordinate kan. So coordinate-nya is x equals to 0 will give me y equal to 0 as well. That's one coordinate already. Excuse me. So I have 0, 0. And then another one, let's say kalau sekiranya Uzza pilih x equals to 1, I will have my y equals to 2. Okay, so that's another coordinate 1, 2. So I'm going to label on the diagram 0, 0 and 1, 2. Okay, so yes, there you go. And keep in mind, it's a positive gradient. We expect it to go up anyway, kan? So we're going to draw that line. There you go. So that is just make sure that you benar-benar accurate. Okay, there. Okay, so that's my line. Now I'm gonna label it accordingly. So this one tadi is 2x, just so that we are clear which one is which. So this is x plus y equal to 4. Now lepas tadi identify the lines, baru kita ni lihat balik apa ia punya inequality given. First one is the inequality. It says that y bigger than or equal to 2x. Now focus on the line yellow. Okay, this is the yellow line. So kalau more than, you just baca saja more than artinya, look at the yellow line here, more than. So we have a direction. Ini kira pagar. This is boundary. So kiranya macam kalau kita ni kan lalu miri ke Brunei. Ini kita ni punya boundary tempat job immigration. So ini miri, sini Brunei. Contoh. Now, this one you cakap more than. More than artinya logically ke atas. So you are going to select that arrow ke atas. Okay, so that will be our our shading. So kita ni indah berguna yang di bawah. So yang di bawah pasal tadi indah berguna, I'm going to color it hitam. Okay, so not this one. Bukan ni. Not this. Not. Okay. Now, let's read this one. X plus y less than or equal to 4. Artinya it's the line. Oh, sorry. Susah salah lihat line. Sorry. Okay. The first one should be line merah kan. Okay, so again, more than, less than. So more than definitely on the top. So not this one. Not this one. And then yang warna yellow, we're going to read that again. Less than, it says. Kalau less than, the red line, we're going to, the yellow line, this one, This is more than, this is less than. So kata ni more less than, that means kata ni indah berguna. Di atas ni indah, we don't need it. Not. Okay, not. Okay. And then, apa satu? X bigger than or equal to 0. Remember, this is the y-axis. Now, our pagar now is the pink one. So we only have two sides, yang ke kanan or yang ke kiri kan. Tapi katanya sini more than. So more than artinya nombor-nombor kira membesar. So nombor-nombor yang membesar is ke kanan and ke kiri is mendamit, right? So more than artinya ke kanan. That means we don't want yang ke kiri. Let me just color yang pakai hitam so it's clear. This is not. So as you can see, all the black is not kan. So we are left with in the middle here. Okay. So just to read back the question, it says to find and label it as region R. So ini kata ni punya R. Okay, so tapi dalam exam avoid shading yang di luar lah. We shade yang di dalam yang arah R tu. Okay, so we need to shade this one right here. I hope that's clear enough for you. Okay.